Hey, what's up? I'm Michael, and today I want to share something with you. Um, I was asked by a client to create a Valentine's Day card for her mom, um, and I said, okay. I had advertised, hey, I'm making cards for Valentine's Day. Well, this turned into a special project, and I really loved the way it turned out. It's not like the other things that I made. Um, she had a very specific vision of what she wanted, and she told me the different elements that she wanted, things that her mother and father had shared in their lifetime and in their marriage. And her father recently passed away, and she wanted to give her mom a good Valentine's Day still. So uh, I made the card out of 12 by 12 cardstock, and you can find this kind of stuff at any scrapbooking store. Um, and the envelope, I should say, I think I said the card, but the envelope is 12 by 12 cardstock. I glued it, I cut it, I rounded the corners and all of this, everything that needed to be done, I done it myself, so that I'd have the thicker envelope. Let me tell you now, the thickness of it makes it feel a lot nicer. When you have a really thin envelope, it doesn't, to me, it doesn't mean as much. So here is the piece I created for her. And this is actually watercolor paper over top of another piece of cardstock. They're glued together. The writing was done with a Pigma Graphic 1. It's like a bullet nib pen, and I wanted to do a calligraphy thing, but I'm not good at it yet, so I did not want to mess it up. But I also didn't want to mess up the artwork, so what I done was inside I wrote on this kind of paper, and then I glued it inside the card, and it worked out great. I was very happy with the way everything turned out. So let me explain the painting. This is her vision that she gave me the elements, and she says I don't know how to tell you what I want, and I just took the elements. She wanted a heart, anchors, cloud, sky, um, water, stars, sun, like a sunset or a sunrise. And I said, okay. And I said, well, I love doing watercolor uh, sunsets. And so I took the sun out and I replaced it with a heart, because what is brighter than the love in our hearts? And uh, instead of an orange and yellow tint, I made it a pink tint around the sun, and or around the heart, and it gradiates out, which also, if you look, it comes down into the water as well, and this is purposely done. And the heart is reflecting, of course, and then you've got the rest of the water going down that sort of matches the sky up here as well. And the cloud is actually an anchor, or the anchor is a cloud, I should say. And then at the top, I made it darker so that I could put little dots of acrylic white paint down. And that's how I created it, and I think I absolutely love it. My client loves it as well, and she said she told me it brought her to tears when she saw it, so I was very happy with that. Now I'm going to put this in here. I'm not wanting to show all of the inside, the words and stuff, but just so you can see, it is two pieces of paper laminated together or glued together. It makes it thicker so that it's a nicer thickness, and it doesn't feel like it's going to tear real easy. It doesn't feel like you're going to mess it up or anything. So I done that, and on the red part I wrote on it so that you could not see. And I'm just going to hold this right here. I wrote on the red part, I should say, so that I wouldn't mess up this card, the white part. And then here I stamped it, and I signed it, and then I dedicated it here. And I'm trying to keep parts of it private. So that's all it really takes to make something very personal. You've got a few days left. If there's somebody special in your life, go out there and make them something. Valentine's Day is a great day. A lot of people hate it, and I don't understand that, because you should never allow yourself to feel that way about the day of love. Even if you don't have anybody to love, or you feel like you don't have anybody to love you, love yourself. Make Valentine's Day about love. Make it about your heart, and fill your heart with love, even if it's for yourself, for your dog, for your cat, your best friend, your family, anybody in your life that you love. Fill your day with love for them. I'll see you later, and I have to get busy on delivering. I'll see you later, guys.